Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another PC build. So the reason why I'm making this PC build is because I didn't do that much videos, and I know I just did a PC build just a couple days ago, but I just had to make another one, mostly because why not? I kind of wasted a bit of time and I should have done something. Haha, oops. So today's PC build is going to be the $800 to $850, depending on the title. I'm going to think about the title later on. PC build with an RTX 4060 Ti 16 gigs. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I was thinking it's a good graphics card, but I made a video that was around of $1,000 for that with that graphics card, and a lot of people just wants to play games other than anything else, and they want a good deal for the price point. So I thought I will change a couple things and make it in the perfect price point to performance. So around of $800 ish is around of a good price point with this graphics card. So this is the PC build that I made with that well, something similar to that price point. So without wasting time, let's get right to the PC build, shall we? Starting off with this list is with the processor. And the processor of choice is going to be the i5-12400F. It's a 6-core processor, so it's not exactly the best processor in the world. But it's a decent processor. It's not bad. It's kind of a replacement to the 3600. It's slightly more powerful than that. It's also newer. As an overall, it's a good processor. It's not exactly the best, especially since this is just a typical normal 6-core processor. But it's also not the worst. It's something in the middle, you could say, in between the Ryzen 5 and a much newer Intel Core i5. It's in the middle of all of that. So we're going with it. The motherboard, I went with the ASRock B660M Pro RS. It's a decent motherboard that does most things you need to do at a cheaper price point. I don't think it's the best in the world, but I don't think it's the worst. It's decent. It has good good VRM cooling. It heat sinks essentially. The ports, not so much. Could have been better, but overall, it's decent enough. It's not the best. It's not the worst. The worst. It will do. For the RAM, I went with the Silicon Power Gaming 16 gigs. It's 3200 megahertz. It's 16 gigs. It's a decent enough RAM for this PC build. I mean, it's not the best one in the world, but for the price point, it works just fine. The colors of it, not so much though. But other than that, it's fine. For the storage, went with the 11 JPS 800. It's 1 terabytes. It's NVMe SSD Gen 4. It's good. It's not the best in the world. It's fast though. Should be fine. For the graphics card, we went with the PNY Verto RTX 4060 Ti. Again, it's a 4060 Ti, 16 gigs, so it's kind of like a slightly upgraded version of 4060 Ti. It's not that much of a difference other than having 16 gigs, which does help on letting the graphics card last longer. But in general, performance-wise, the same as a normal 4060 Ti. But for the price point and everything, it's decent. It's a good NVIDIA option. It's not the best, but it's good. Also, this graphics card is simple looking, but decent, really nice. I mean, it's all black, other than that part. And overall, I mean, it's good. And again, PNY, I trust them. Still use their mouse. For the power supply, we went with the Apivia Prestige 600 watts. It's 80 plus gold certified. It is a ketchup and mustard power supply. Like I said, it's not the best power supply in the world, but if it works, it works. We're going with it. For the case, we went with the Cooler Master Box Q300L. It's a micro ATX case. It's not the best one in the world, to be honest, but it works. It's great. It's decent. Not the best case to upgrade or anything like that, but if you just want to put those parts in there and that's it, it's good. And well, at least the ventilation is good. I mean, it's a mesh case, I believe, and there's a lot of air that comes in and out. But anything other than that, it's not exactly the best in the world, but it will just do. Now, the total price point for this PC is around of $827, or $826.86. $827. So it's around of $800. It's $27 more expensive, That's why I'm not sure if I should call it under 850 bucks or more, or just 800 bucks. I don't know. It's in somewhere in between. For the price point, you're pretty much paying for something very good. So if you're just planning to play games, so yeah, definitely a good price. So that is it for today's video. Like I said, it's a video I'm doing because I didn't have that much time to make other things. So I'm just gonna do this real quick and just post it, and hopefully people could watch it and actually enjoy it somehow. Maybe not, who knows. But in a general sense, I just also wanted to talk about this. I felt like the 4060 Ti, when I made that video, the price was a bit too much, and I feel like you could have saved at least 100 bucks by getting a much better processor, but not spending too much on other things that are pretty much unnecessary. I ended up saving even more, 150 bucks or more, by just doing this build. It's not the best build in the world, but if you're just planning to play games and you planning to keep the rest of the money from that 1,000 bucks of that previous video to have, I don't know, a monitor and a keyboard and mouse and whatnot, this is probably a better video. I mean, you pretty much have less than 175 bucks to spend on a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, and even a headset. There you go. A much better option than the previous one. The previous at least has more option of usability, like streaming and whatnot, but if you just plan to play games, don't bother. So this is a better video for that, especially if you're just planning to play games. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more, comment down below, share this video, give a like. Comment your opinions. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys thought it could have been better than what I did, or worse. I don't know. If there's anything you guys think I could have changed, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I hope you guys liked it. Give a like, subscribe today for more content. I'm really close to getting 1,000 subscribers, so there's that. Share this video, share the channel, and without wasting time, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.